Hey Diva Dolls, this is crystalchanel and I am back with another try on haul video. Now I know you dolls love it when I do these try on haul videos, and because it's basically summer, I had to bring y'all a little swimwear heat. I had to bring y'all a little bit of sexy and functional and comfortable and of course affordable with this bikini try on haul video. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with this bathing suit that I have on. Of course, I love it. The color is really pretty. I think the sizing is okay because it is kind of loose fitting, but then again, the way that this bathing suit is cut, it goes very, very high. So if you are not trying to serve sex appeal, sex kitten, coochie out, booty out, you wanna skip this suit, okay? Because that's exactly what you'll be serving. So again, this particular bathing suit comes up really high on the sides. It's okay for support. Not really any cups in here or anything. You would just really have to be mindful as far as situating your girls in here, and you're gonna have that side boob action. So this bathing suit is strictly for baddies, meaning you wanna give off that kind of vibe. You cannot wear this bathing suit with the little kids. I mean, you can, but it's not really kid appropriate because you're showing all bodies. So I love the bathing suit. Really pretty color, really comfortable on, and yeah, girl, I recommend it. Now, this particular bathing suit, I also adored. I love anything marble right now. That's really on trend, right? So I love the fact that it's marble. I like the fact that it's black on the bottom. It's kind of sophisticated, but again, it's serving sex appeal because although it's like a one piece, it's still showing a lot of your stomach. It has high cut bottom, so it's showing a lot of your booty, and it's giving you that thigh, like it's serving you all of that thigh meat. Okay, so it's a modest bathing suit because it's a one piece, but it's still extremely sexy. So again, maybe not kiddie friendly, but definitely perfect for vacation or perfect for vacation with your girls. So this particular bathing suit was really confusing when I got it on. I picked it out because it's an extra large, and y'all be trying to come for me in these comments about my bathing suit being too tight. Listen, it is what it is, okay? Your girl got booty, your girl got hips, it is what it is. So in the meantime, I am gonna shop sizes that I can make work, okay? So for me, I got an extra large. In this particular extra large, it fit okay. It still kind of cut into my sides, but again, it just is what it is with how I'm built. I really do think it's cute though. It has a lot of frilliness going on. I think it's really different on the side. I love boob action, hence the side boob tattoo. But this particular bathing suit I thought was cute. I liked how it covers your stomach if you wanted that coverage, if you have stretch marks or something like that and you did not want your actual stomach out, but you didn't mind having your shape being shown and all that. This is one of those bathing suits that you can help cover your belly but still feel sexy in. Now y'all know I love me a good neon bathing suit, y'all. This particular bathing suit, again, I got in an extra large, so it did fit a little loose on the bottom and on the top because I like my Bandeau tops to be more tight so that it kind of holds me in like a bandage or something, like a support top. This one wasn't too bad though, because the little cups that it has inside actually did fit at a good angle. I'm even thinking about maybe cutting this, like I'm thinking about maybe like sewing the inside a little bit like this, just to make it a little bit tighter because it's very stretchy. Now this color is not picking up on camera. That's how bright it is, y'all, but it's like a true neon orange. Like you cannot really see it on the camera, but it is so pretty. Like I think this would look great on any skin tone, from a fair one to a really dark one. This particular set is super comfortable. I wish I ordered this in more colors. If you love the way this look, girl, get at least 2 to 3 of them because it would be cute to kind of mix and match them. It fits really comfortable, doesn't really cut into you that much, and it's not even that expensive. So again, I'll put the links to everything down below, but this one is definitely one of my faves. You're gonna be seeing me in it a whole lot this summer because I think it's gonna look really nice on my tan skin. Now this particular bathing suit wasn't that perfect for me because it did run a little small. I can't even lie. It's not even that it runs small, it's just that the bottoms for me, they didn't stretch a whole lot. Of course it stretches just a bit, but you can just even tell it's like, it's not high waist. So I like high waist under bottoms because basically it gives me the opportunity to pull it up higher on the side, because if something goes like this on me, it's going to cut into my hips, so I need to pull them a little bit higher, hence why I like the high-waisted bathing suits. But this one in particular, if you're not really hippie, I think it would fit true to size, because this is also an extra large. I also love the fact that it has like this wife beater type of print, like kind of material. So it's kind of like cloth on the outside, but it's still like bathing suit material on the inside. So now, how cute is this? It has a little fake tie in the front, because this doesn't really untie. It's just a little knot on the front. But look how simple it is. I think it's really cute. You can adjust the back straps. That way you can make it as tight or as loose as you need. I really do like this bathing suit. It's just, for me particularly, did not work out, and that was because of the bottoms. Now, y'all, this bathing suit, I was not too sure about, especially when I pulled it out and it had like all this fabric and everything, but I felt very regal in this. I felt very sexy, womanly. I did not feel conservative. I did not feel covered up. I still felt alluring. Like, this bathing suit, I recommend it. It's perfect for a photo shoot. You know, that's how my mind goes, right? I always go to like taking pictures and things like that. So this particular bathing suit is perfect for a photo shoot, and it's perfect if you had like some kind of family event, like a cruise, or if you had, you know, something special, because this is so extra. Even if you go on vacation and you're not traditionally the kind of person who would wear a bathing suit, I think because of the extra fabric that it drapes off, it looks like a shirt. In fact, I would wear this with just some bottoms as a top. And then when you do get to the pool area, you can just pull them off, and then now your bathing suit ready and you don't feel overexposed. I think it's really different. I've never seen a bathing suit like this, and it's really, really sexy on and very sophisticated. Like, I strongly recommend it, especially if you need something full coverage. Now, the next few bathing suits I wanted to kind of play with, and I use interchangeably. Like, I literally was swapping tops and bottoms. So go on the site, you'll see the tops that are supposed to go with the bottoms, but the one bathing suit in particular had a white ruffly top. It was kind of big. So this one, again, I got in a bigger size, and it was really kind of loose. It didn't look bad, but it looked more like a top, not a bathing suit. So I used the one that was really similar to it, but it was black. I like the black one better, and either one was obviously going to match. These bottoms were really cute. I was not sure at first because of this pull string, but it actually ended up working out. So it covers your stomach a little bit if you didn't want to quite show your belly. It's high cut, or you can pull it up to make it high cut. The top is super comfortable, super cute. You can even wear it as a shirt. So altogether, I love this bathing suit, and very much like it, the plain black bottoms, you can kind of switch out and wear interchangeably, but I really like this top too, because again, very comfortable, really cute. It will cover any insecurities with your arms that you may have, and you can wear it as a top. So if you were out on the beach or somewhere, like on the boat, on a cruise or somewhere, and you didn't want to quite have to change completely, you can just put some bottoms on and rock it like that. I think this would look so cute with some palazzo pants, like the wide leg pants, or it would look really cute with like a flowy maxi skirt. So really, really, really cute. There's even some shorts you can get that are high-waisted and like loose. I think those would look really cute too. This is a big, big beach like towel. I didn't know it was towel material, which that's okay. That's a plus, because whenever you're going to use it, you're going to probably be wet. So that's fine. I do like the material. I love the colors. I think the colors are so pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. So I do love the colors, and I love how huge it is. So the reason why I like this size, of course, is because it will cover you if you were getting out the water and you did want to use this as a towel. But I picked it up because I want something to lay on the beach. A lot of times, like when you pack your bag and you're going on the beach, you forget something to sit on, or you use your towel and your towel gets all sandy and now you're trying to dry off with that towel. Or you leave the towel on your beach chair at the pool and then like bugs get on it, or you want to lay on it and you still need to dry off. So y'all, long story short, invest in something like this. It seems costly, but look how big it is. You can get a couple of people on here. You can put it across your chair. You can use it as a towel. It is multi functional. Your girl might mess around and actually use it as like a backdrop. Like, look how pretty that is. Now again, much like the last bathing suit, you just have a regular pair of black bottoms. You can change them out. This one in particular, I just love this top. This top is an extra large, and I think it is so dainty, and it is so girly. Y'all get into that detail. I think it's so pretty. Like, I just love feminine things like that. The color rose or blush is so in. Of course, it's a actual bikini top, so if you're not about that life, then girl, you ain't gonna like it. But you can always wear the high-waisted bottoms with this and kind of get away with it, because it's just like wearing a bra. So I adore it because I like getting all my skin tanned when I go out and about at the beach or the pool. But this is really girly and really cute, and it's actually really comfortable. The material of this, like, I'm so impressed so far with everything I picked up. Nothing seems shoddy, nothing seems thin, and so far so okay, dolls. So again, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a comment down below. You already know what I'm gonna say. Leave a comment down below of which one of these swimsuits is your favorite. Let me know if you ever shopped Zaful before. Don't forget, this is their 4th anniversary sale. So girl, you already know I got some coupon codes for you right down there in that box. Please, if y'all have not checked out this website, I strongly recommend it. Like, I really do, because they have all kinds of swimsuits, very affordable. But long story short, I used to pay so much money for bathing suits, and now I can spend less than 40 bucks, get a top and a bottom. Sometimes you can spend less than $20, do the same thing, and y'all, these bathing suits will last a couple of seasons. So it's quality, it's not cheap, and I really do recommend it. And your girl rocks them every time she goes on vacation, and you dolls love it. Which reminds me, if you don't follow my vlog channel already, be sure that you do that. Also, be sure that you follow my fitness channel, and I'll put the details for the links in the description box for both down below. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Be sure, if you're not already a part of the notification gang, that you hit that bell, as well as subscribe to this channel, y'all. This is something I love to do. So as long as you still like it, I still love it. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all the heat. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all the looks. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all the discount codes. Yes, y'all. Yeah. So again, I appreciate the support. I will put my hair details as well as my contacts details down below in the box. Be sure you share this video if you have any friends that you think may like it. And that's it. Of course, y'all know I love you. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.